What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be taking a look at a product that I feel like I never knew I needed. I was aware that there was an existence of such thing, but now I kind of want it, and it directly relates to my ass and these buckets. So I never actually made a formal video just yet on my Yeti buckets. I know some people are gonna want a video on this. That'll probably be coming up within the next couple videos. I do have a couple different colors, and I designed my little system to work based off of that. Up until just recently, I didn't have this burning desire to go and spend more money on something that I didn't even really know what I was looking for at the moment. Until that is when I was like looking for this chair that I usually have out and about, but this was, you know, tucked away somewhere in a closet, and I was like, damn, I gotta sit down for something. And I had pulled my little Yeti bucket and I sat it right there. And then when I sat my tuchus down on this thing, I realized the height was just enough to have a quick fix for me to sit here and do something at my bench just long enough where I wouldn't need to want to go get an actual chair. And I know the real solution should be getting a Viper chair. I'm not well off enough to go get one of those. You know, we're hurting financially. We're in a presidency right now where the economy's crumbling like freaking stale bread. So what we got right now is a solution to my ass hurting. I sat on this for like 5-6 minutes. When I lost a lot of weight, right, it created less cushion on my cheeks. And I never really noticed that problem because I had such a fat ass before. So I now feel bone on my ass. I didn't even know I had an ass bone. Lo and behold, I do. And it hurts when you sit on hard objects for too long. That sounded freaking terrible, but it is what it is. We're going to let this slide. Maybe, maybe not. Whatever. It's going to turn into a meme soon. But I didn't want to sit on this for too long, because after a few minutes, I started to notice that was not a super comfortable thing. Anyway, went on Amazon, and you can find pretty much everything on Amazon. Apparently this works damn good with the Yeti. So I'm just going to take this extremely pricey lid. I'm going to take this thing off. I love this thing, by the way, so the price, I won't be complaining about it. And what I love about this is, look at all that ass cushion. Oof. Yeah, baby. So apparently this will sit. I'm going to move this anyway, just in case, because I don't want any doubters or non-believers here, you know. I'm going to put this down on here. And apparently this is the first time I'm checking this out. Apparently this works with the Yeti bucket. Holy shit. I hear air. Okay. So one of the things that I really liked, I don't know if you're paying attention, is this. That's crazy. You can sit on it and spin. You ever tell anybody, go sit on it and spin, and then you like follow it with a few other choice words? Maybe they have a Yeti bucket and they're putting this thing on here. So I have always loved the Yeti buckets, and now all comes down to how this feels. So we're gonna sit down. All right, hold on. I'm sitting. I'm spinning. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Quick fact. Ever since I had my weight loss, I get really lightheaded. Damn, that was a stupid thing to do. But that felt comfortable. That felt solid. That felt smooth. I'm not a small child, and I'm not a big man. Okay? I'm 210 pounds currently, sitting on this. Not a creak, not a holler, not a squeak, not a crackle, not a break. My ass felt comfortable, and I sat on it and spun. So, anyway, there's really nothing to talk too much about with this video. If you have a Yeti bucket, and you're looking to not have your ass hurting if you're sitting on this bucket, said bucket, and you're like me, and you got, you know, multiple buckets, which I will do a video on, this might be a cool solution to have it for your pleasure, ribbed for your pleasure, and it comes off easy. easy peasy. So, you know, when it's time and I'm done, I can store this pretty much anywhere. It's flat. It could probably just go right on top of this. And I think it's a freaking sweet little thing. I don't remember the price. I know I'm really bad with that. You're gonna find out when I link it anyway. But actually, I would probably store it like that so I don't put undue scratches or marring on that expensive ass acrylic looking lid with those little beautiful shapes. Oh, I love it. Love it. Yeti buckets for the win. I know other buckets exist. I like my Carbon Collective buckets. I have those too. And I have the clear carbon, and I even have the detailed division when they were selling the ghost buckets. So I do have all of those, and there is a place for those. Look at that. That's crazy. Anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you. I love you all. I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble, and I'll see you guys on the next one.